Hey guys, welcome back to day 9, and just wanted to kind of recap the morning and the trade that I just took. So I'd kind of set out all of this. Although this morning pre-market, this was a very good entry here. It's kind of 9 a.m. first presented fair value gap. I was here, ready to execute. I just didn't pull the trigger um, on it and just kind of stayed out. But ultimately, that was such a good entry for continuation into New York Open here. Was looking at this first, presented fair value gap, but was not able to find an entry. We somewhat traded back up towards it, but just kind of failed, which showing weakness. But I would have liked to get an entry higher just for the risk. But waited on that, or waited that out, did not execute. Came down here to kind of our 10 a.m. first presented, and we respected that very well. But we'd already dumped quite a bit. I was not would have maybe looked for something if this was to get inverted, but we held the lower half there and just continued lower. So the trade that I just took was based off of sweeping this high here. We just kind of briefly swept it. I was looking to see if we were going to hold this. Sure enough, we inverted that as well as this 12 p.m. first presented, right? And we kind of closed below, so I was able to get an entry here and target just these relative equal lows. And I know ultimately we could probably come for this low as well, but 40 points there was enough for me to get, $400 on the day and then just call it there. Overall, fairly clean. I mean, this morning just kind of hard for me to execute. Right here is normally where I like to enter on that first presented. This was pretty clean as well. I just the risk is tough. I mean, could have took it, put a stop right above here, and then just continued lower. But yeah, I just kind of take what I can get. I also work a full-time job, so it's difficult to catch every little thing. But I'm just looking for kind of one trade a day here on this evaluation. And yeah, look at us now. We're really running these lows here towards here. Maybe even this 1043 low as well. But like I said, that's good enough for me to call it there and continue to trade like that and just follow my rules, right? And be disciplined enough to not just over trade. I know it's easy to just it can be easy to pass an evaluation, right? I mean, if you just kind of full port or you use one mini, and just try to catch every little move. But for me, I'm just kind of practicing discipline here and, just kind of taking clean setups and not just trying to catch every little move throughout the day. Just kind of one and done or two and done, depending on the trade, right? So in this case, I'm done here. It's enough for me. Then we'll move on and come back for day 10 tomorrow. So that being said, we will catch you on the next one.